What's up? Andrew here. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Today we will be making a homemade ham. Did you ever go to McDonald's and the bun was too soggy, the meat was too dry, there was only one pickle on the burger? Well, today we will be making a hamburger ourselves that has toasted buns, juicy meat, and a bunch of sauce and pickles. The burger, of course, will be 10 times better than the one in the burger meme. Okay guys, let's go! Okay, so for one burger you will need burger buns. I've got myself brioche burger buns. I didn't make the bun myself. Sorry, cooking gods. Now for the ingredients of the burger. Alright, I'll stop with the burger meme now. These are the most simple and tasty ingredients for a burger in my humble opinion. Slice up some cheddar cheese, then pick a nice dill pickle and destroy it with your knife skills that you learned from YouTube. Cut some tomato slices and wash a leaf of iceberg lettuce. Behind the camera, of course. Crunchy! I don't know what is this accent. Oh, help, please. Then we will prep our beef. Weigh out around 100 grams or 3.2 ounces of ground beef. Then cut 2 sheets of parchment paper. Since I didn't have parchment paper, I used tinfoil. It worked fine. You can use tinfoil if you want also. Then put balls of meat on the sheet. Place another sheet on top and smash it with a rolling pin and a spatula until it's a tiny bit bigger than the size of your bun. Now for the most important part of the burger, the special sauce. Now since I had some sauce left over from before, I'm not gonna be making actual sauce, so just follow the instructions. Take out a dill pickle and dice it into small pieces. Not an invisible pickle, of course. Or you can use dill relish if you have it. Then take a container of some sort and combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, around half a tablespoon of pickle juice, and your relish. Mix and you have a beautiful burger sauce that should look something like this. Okay, now we are ready to cook up some burgers. Heat up your skillet on high and while you're at it, butter your buns. While it's heating up, you can start toasting the buns. It should look something like this. Once the buns are toasted and the skillet is piping hot, you can see smoke coming out of it. Salt and pepper your meat and slam dunk it on the skillet. Remove the sheet of tin foil in my case and salt and pepper the other side of the burger. Flip once the bottom is brown. Then immediately put on some cheddar cheese and cover with a lid. If the cheese is not melting and you're almost finished cooking the meat, add in a splash of water and close the lid of the skillet. This will melt the cheese faster. Okay, now the most beautiful part, stacking the burger. First, sauce up your bottom bun with healthy glug of sauce, add your iceberg lettuce, then comes your cheesy meat. On top of the meat, put slices of tomato. Also, don't forget to salt the tomato. If you don't, cooking gods will be mad. Sauce up your top bun with a bunch of sauce and bunch of pickles, and then crown that bad boy. And you're done. Easy and simple burger, made at home. So what I was saying, easy and simple, again, I'm stopping it. Easy and simple homemade burger. Look at that thing. My mouth is still watering while editing the footage. Enjoy. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please look at cooking gods. They're gonna kill me if you will not press the like button. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching. See you next week. Peace!